Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm gonna teach you how to build your own Squarespace website. It's super easy because you do not need any prior coding knowledge, guys. You do not need any initial investment because you get first 14 days for free, and of course you can do it yourself. It ain't matter if you're intermediate, if you're a beginner, if you're an expert, guys. Anyone can do it from anywhere in the world. So let's get started. Without any further ado, please listen to me carefully, pay attention to the video, it's crucial. So let's get started. As I said, down below we can check it out, guys. Right here is the Squarespace. So what you need to do is, of course, to make your own account. But right here you can check it out. There's a limited time offer, guys, that expires on July 27th at 11:59 p.m. So you can get 20% off on any new website plan. But as I said, first 14 days are free. And what's also most important thing for you, no credit card required. You need your mail, guys, and that's basically it. So you can check it out. Right here is my account. So let's go to account dashboard, guys, right here. And you can see we already made one website right here, Wave of Wealth. So what you need to do on your dashboard is to press on create website. After that, make any template yours with ease. Whether you need a portfolio website, online store, personal blog, you can use a Squarespace customizable and responsive website templates to get started. So popular designs, type right here. Let's just say we go with maybe, why not? I mean, why not online store? Let's check it out. Similar to Shopify, guys. Topic right here, we can check it out. Collaborations, all templates, art design, photography, health and beauty, maybe something popular designs, personal CV, fashion, professional services. I mean, why not? Restaurants, travel right here. We can check it out for travel as well, guys. Community and nonprofits, local businesses, real estate. I mean, let's just say we're gonna do with passion with professional services. Why not? Best templates matches. Welcome this right here. You can check it out. This one right here, guys, and you can see this is a Kester template, guys. Ida Casterpay is a hand lettering artist and illustrator based in Detroit, Michigan. So you can see some really amazing designs right here, guys. You can switch the colors by your need, by your niche, by your product, by you. I mean, it's up to you, of course. So let's just keep it in this way. Why not? So start with this design. Once you press on start, guys, you must let your imagination do what it will. So it's up to you. It's up to you, guys, your product, your store, or whatever you want to build. So welcome to your site. Creating a beautiful site. What would you like to call your site, guys? My Squarespace site. Let's just say like this. Acronym for Wave of Wealth, guys, but we are also wow. Yeah. So next, edit pages right here. You can check it out to add, edit, remove text, images, and to customize a page, use edit. You can customize every section on a page. So what you need to do, you can see, right, guys, how it looks like right here. Press on this. Go on edit and you're good. Next, create pages. You can go to pages, guys, right here. Press on plus, as you can see, services and so on. You can switch even the lines and everything. You can delete them if you like to. And yeah, that's super easy. Style your site. That's in top right corner. Of course, we're going to talk about it in further part of the video. So let's get started, guys. Right here, let's check it out. What do we have here? Idacaster and so on and so on. So press on edit, as we said. Website setup guide, guys. Website is here, pages and everything. You can check it out. Here, we're going to delete this. We do not need this right now. So for example, we're going to write, oh my God, what we need? Paragraph, I don't like this, heading paragraph 2, heading 1. Okay, like this, maybe something like, yep. Okay, I switched it right now. So this looks perfect, looks amazing. Maybe to, I'm sorry, maybe to bold it just to be a bit more in your eyes, you know, eye-catching and so on. You can add section right here. You can add a section, contact, about, people, product, services, events, quotes, and so on, images and videos, guys, charts, forms, audio. So if we go to contact, let's work together, contact us, this section right here, you can see contact us, but maybe this is the section for guys, bottom section, remove section. Yeah, this will be in our footer. So right here you can see Gary Gators, Locksmith, and so on, guys. We can check it out, edit, manage projects, and so on. Down below you can see we do not have anything. This is a subscribe newsletter, of course, email address and everything. After this, edit site footer. So let's check it out. Workshop blog contact made with Squarespace. This is something we're gonna leave. So here, what we want to do is to delete this one, and here you can see made with Squarespace. So after that, we want to add section, as I said, guys. Close edit page, I'm sorry, and here you can check it out. Subscribe and everything, we can remove that if you don't like that, guys. We can remove even footer. So after this, add section, as I said, contact is here. Let's check it out. Before the footer, we want the contact section, name and everything you can send, email required. You can see this there will be our mail, so contact us. Our mail will be here, guys. Wave of Wealth, sorry. Like this. Here will be a number, here is our address and everything, guys. Our socials, we're gonna connect them, guys. I'm gonna show in per video how to do that, but yeah, it's incredible, it's super easy. After this, we can maybe add something else. About section will be here, so let's go with about this and this. We need a small about section right here, guys. So I'm super sorry, I didn't mean to do this, guys. I'm really sorry. So let's just put it in here. Okay, I just wanted to delete this text. We do not need this text. So what we need to do next after this, if I'm right, you have the introducing Squarespace AI. Okay, so Squarespace AI is here, guys. You can use it. You can use it in Squarespace AI paragraph, page blurb. What do you need? Let's just say like this. Super easy. Oh my god. Take a look at this, guys. Wave of Wealth is your ultimate destination for all things online, and so on and so on. Make it stand out. So we will just write here about us, and you can see it's really amazing. It's really unique, guys. And down below is your products. We can also add one section more: people, products, services. Let's just say services, maybe our services, to stand like this. Basic, add your pricing strategy, intermediate, advanced, guys. Our services right here, you can switch everything. You can switch colors, you can switch whatever you like to switch. After that, we can add, just a second, this section, okay, cannot be deleted. So add section 1 here. Products, we can see for products, guys. Yep, new collection, it will lead you to new collection. You can make a collection. It's similar to Shopify. Scheduling, digital products, quotes, testimonials, digital products right here. Choose your plan right here. We can see choose your plan. Down below is the most popular, maybe one tier $100, guys. You can switch everything right here. Online course only, online course plus virtual support. Sign up right here. Tier 3 is $300 online course plus workshop. I mean, as I said, it's up to you, because if you're selling some other digital products like ebooks, if you're selling maybe some planners, some mugs, guys, some amazing phone cases or something like that, if you're doing maybe drop shipping, you will do yourself. Maybe here we'll switch the popular one right here, guys, maybe to here. Why not? And we need to switch the popular to, yeah, and you can see it's super easy. As I said, no coding knowledge. You're just playing like you're using maybe some Microsoft Word or maybe PowerPoint, some other app that's super easy to use. Of course, you need some practice, but it's not that difficult. Really, it's not that difficult, guys. Anyone can make a website on Squarespace, and I do mean that. It's that easy. So right here you can see Wave of Wealth. This is about us section, or services right here. We can check it out, guys. You just need to type in what are your services, whether it is laundering or whether it is some maybe some courses, maybe some work that you can do for someone, guys, something like that. You just need to type it in right here. After that, choose your plan. This is our digital products right here. You can add a block even, guys, right here. Text, for example, you can add a block right here. You can delete it. You can add a block again, guys, right here. Video, maybe you can check it out. You just need to press and add a video. You can pin the video right here. You can add it and everything, but we do not need a video right now. Add a block, photo, shape, map, or something like that. Markdown, summary, everything is here. Scrolling and so on, guys, you can check it out. Right here is the shape, so we can maybe move the shape right here, and you can check it out. Duplicate, you can see edit right here, guys. Shape is this, we can switch it to this. and we can switch it to blend mode, to color, guys, and everything. I'm just playing right now because this is just for the purpose of video, but I just want to show you how easy it is to do anything on Squarespace. So please keep that in your mind. After that, we can add something else, even donations, videos, images right here. Let's just say we have some images right here, guys. Add a section, and what we need to do else is to edit gallery, of course. So edit image, you can press on edit image, guys, saturation, you can press on contrast and everything, but we do not need this particular image. Link is right here. Down below, you need to paste your link for your image, guys, and you can actually, of course, add another image. Image description is here for you. So keep that in your mind. As I said, gallery is here. You can close it. You can upload, search image, guys. You can maybe delete, confirm, delete, confirm. Right here, confirm. We can delete this, confirm. After that, upload the image, guys, from your computer. Of course, right here, if you have any images, you can add it right here. So I'm not quite sure if I have anything. My library, free images, okay. Oh my god, we do not want to add that. So let's just preview on a site and see how it looks like. And no image selected, we just need, okay, that's it. So as I said, super easy. Please give it a shot, guys. It's amazing platform for you to make anything you want to make, guys, because it's as easy as that. Give it a shot. Squarespace is here. Squarespace is waiting for you, and Squarespace is the future. So check it out right now. And as I said, explore every single possible section, because as I said again, it's really amazing. Explore some other templates, guys. Maybe not focused on online store or something like that. Maybe focused on travel, focused on on your niche, on your product. Because as I said, the amount of sections is incredible. Save collections, add a blank section. That's also something I wanted to show you and I forgot, guys. You can just add a block right here for text, for button, for newsletter, for shape. You're basically playing with this platform, with the Squarespace, guys, and it will be really interesting for you because it's super easy. I mean, anyone can do it. So give it a shot. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.